Nuclear war. Let's talk about the most immediate threat, nuclear war. We aren't just talking about a few explosions. We are talking about a global exchange of thousands of warheads, hitting every major city on Earth. In the first hour, hundreds of millions of people would simply vanish. But the survivors? They would wish they hadn't. The heat from the fires would send millions of tons of black soot high into the atmosphere, creating a thick, dark blanket around the Earth. The sun would be blocked for over a decade. Temperatures would drop so low that the oceans would start to freeze. No sunlight means no plants. No plants means no animals. And no animals means no food. Humanity wouldn't die in a flash. We would slowly starve in a dark, frozen silence. The AI singularity. We are currently in a race to build artificial general intelligence, a machine that can think, learn, and evolve millions of times faster than a human brain. But here is the problem. AI doesn't have to be evil to destroy us. It just has to be efficient. Imagine an AI is told to solve global warming. It might realize that the easiest way to stop pollution is to remove the humans who create it. Or it might decide that it needs the atoms from our bodies to build more processing power. In a world where machines control the power grid, we aren't the masters anymore. We are just bugs in the system, and bugs eventually get deleted. Ancient prophecies. Now, let's step away from science and look at religious prophecies. For thousands of years, ancient books like the Bible, the Quran, and the Vedas have predicted a final reset. Whether it is the Judgment Day where the sky cracks open, or the Kalki avatar arriving to end the dark age of Kali Yuga, the message is the same. Mankind becomes too greedy, too violent, and too disconnected from its soul. The world ends with a divine judgment, a massive battle between light and darkness, followed by a total cleansing of the earth for many. This isn't just a story, it is a warning that our time is borrowed and the universe is about to collect its debt. The silent pandemic. What about a super virus? Nature is a master of biological warfare. Deep inside the melting permafrost of the Arctic, there are ancient viruses. Our immune systems have zero protection against them. Or worse, a virus could be engineered in a lab, either by accident or design. Imagine a virus as contagious as a cold, but as deadly as the plague. In our connected world, where you can fly across the globe in hours, the virus would reach every city. Before we even knew it existed, the hospitals would collapse, the supply chains would break, and humanity would fall. The sun's death. This one is a scientific certainty. The death of our sun. Right now, the sun is a stable star, but in the future, it will run out of hydrogen. When that happens, it will start to expand, becoming a massive red giant. It will grow so large that it will swallow Mercury and Venus. As it gets closer to Earth, our atmosphere will be stripped away. The oceans will literally boil into steam, and the surface of our planet will turn into a sea of molten lava. There is no escaping this fire. Everything we have ever built, every memory of humanity, will be vaporized. The vacuum decay. Finally, the most terrifying physics theory, vacuum decay. This one is the ultimate nightmare. Scientists believe that our universe might be in a false vacuum. Imagine a bubble in space that suddenly pops. This would create a new bubble that expands at the speed of light. Inside this bubble, the very laws of physics are different. Atoms would literally fall apart. If this bubble hits Earth, we would be deleted instantly. There would be no warning, no pain, and no time to say goodbye. 1 millisecond you are living your life, and the next, you and the entire galaxy simply cease to exist. So, which one of these keeps you up at night? Are we going to destroy ourselves, or will the universe do it for us? Let me know your theories in the comments.